Right, so first out to win the Holiday Inn Express overnight stay for 2 nights for 2 people, including breakfast. We splashed out that one. We've got a name on the back, Kay and Dave Shields. Pink, 26 to 30. Right, next out for the next Holiday Inn in Manchester. We've got a name on the back as well, Nevin. Nevin and Monica. Right, pink again we've got, and there's a name on the back. Will you turn over for me, Ellie? Jeanette McPherson. Oh, I don't even turn to you one. Crown Plaza, Aberdeen, overnight stay.
And you get 2 weeks free parking. Right, so you can book a holiday, go stay there, and then jump the plane and bugger off for 2 weeks.
The next one out to win a meal at the Ben is Nevin again. We are mixing these up, I promise. You do realise that your mum's disowning you if you don't pick out her ticket as well. Adrian on the next one. For the Loch Lomond Hotel. The Loch Lomond Hotel voucher. Right, Ellie, you're going to need to hold the bucket because I've not got enough hands here. Right, so next we've got a weightlifting PT session with Power Up.
Listen, this isn't just any weightlifting session, by the way. Me and my pal Steph up there goes to these weightlifting sessions. It's brilliant. And that's amazing. Listen, we go, so come with us. Hey, so listen, you're going to love it.
Right after I threatened her that you were going to disown her, she pulled out your name. Right, Amy's won the power lifting session. Give them another mix. Right, next is the Co-op Ballard bag of drinks and chocolates. And she's picked out Amy again. Right, give them a good mix, Ellie. So for the free dog running session up at Waggle Park.
So Waggle Park is your new free run dog park in the Vale. There's nothing quite like it. You need to travel far and beyond to get anything like it. So it's up at the Vale Cemetery, Muirhead, Fareham. Overton House. Overton, Fareham, rather.
The winner is Sarah McGregor from Loch. Oh, that loud. Right, we've got. Right, so we've got. So we've got a few copies of this next prize, so we've got 3 to give away. So first out to win a signed copy of the Wee Glasgow Poet book, we've got Ozzy. Next one, really. Sheena Callum. She's away. And this one's not got a name, so you get your raffle tickets ready. Pink 291 to 295. There we go, lady at the bar. Wee Glasgow Poet will be on later. Lynn? Yes. Right, next we've got the Kachina voucher. And that's going to Doreen Burkett. Is Doreen here? Right, the next prize is
Blonde hairdressers in Dumbarton, so it's a haircut and blow dry. And that is Woods, Lomond Woods, that's Margaret Woods at owns Woods Leisure Park. So I'll get that.
right, and our last raffle prize. Oh, this person wanted to be sure. They wrote their name on every single ticket. John Gwiltz. That's your uncle. He's won the Waterhouse in vouchers. Right, that's us done with the raffle for now. We have got the auction. We'll give you a quick 5-10 minutes to count how much money you have so you know how much you can